Good morning and welcome to our English class. Today we are going to see Unit 2 poem. It is not a memory poem but a very funny and beautiful poem. The title of the poem is A Tragic Story by William Makepeace Thackeray. Now let us see something about this poem. In this poem, we have a wise man. He lacks common sense. He wants to accomplish a task but he fails it. That is what trying to tell us. Now let us see about the author. That is William Makepeace Thackeray. William Makepeace Thackeray was an English novelist, author and illustrator who was born in India. He is known for his satirical work, particularly for Vanity Fair, a panoramic portrait of British society, and his novel of 1844, The Luck of Barry Lyndon, was adapted for a 1975 film by Stanley Kubrick. Here, William Makepeace Thackeray is known for his satirical work. That is, he likes to write satirical work. It means when you criticize something or someone. And his novel also is taken as a film by Stanley Kubrick. He is a novelist, he is the author and the illustrator. Children, now let us see a tragic story. First and foremost, I will read for you once, then we'll see the explanation. There lived a sage in days of yore, and he a handsome pigtail wore, but wondered much and sorrowed more because it hung behind him. He mused upon this curious case, and swore he'd change the pigtail's place, and have it hanging at his face, not dangling there behind him. Says he, the mystery I'd found, says he, the mystery I'd found, I'll turn me round. He turned him round, but still hung behind him. Then round and out and in, all day the puzzled sage did spin. In vain, it mattered not a pin, the pigtail hung behind him. And right and left and round about, and up and down, and in and out, he turned, but still the pigtail stout hung steadily behind him. And though his efforts never slack, and though he twist a twirl and tack, alas, still faithful to his sack, the pigtail hangs behind him by William Makepeace Thackeray. Now let us see paragraph. The first paragraph. There lived a sage in days of yore, and he a handsome pigtail wore, but wondered much and sorrowed more because it hung behind him. Now sage is wise person. Yore is long ago. Handsome is looks beautiful. Pigtail means it is like a ponytail. There you put a plait. Now the girls are having the ponytail. When they twist and put it, they can put the plait. Here he says that there lived a sage. That is a wise man. He lived for a long time, and he had a pigtail on his back. It was looking very beautiful. He wondered also and also sorrowed. He was wondering, I have a pigtail at my back, and he was sorrowed more. Why it is on back? I want to bring it friend. That was his desire. Now second paragraph. He mused upon his curious case, and so he'd change the pigtail's place, and have it hanging at his face, not dangling there behind him. The second paragraph, mused upon, is carefully thought about. Curious is strange or interesting. Dangling is a hanging. Okay. Now what he is thinking, that he is curious about, he is taking it carefully and he wanted to bring it friend. It has to be hang it on his face, not at the back. Since it is hanging at the back, he wants to bring that pigtail to his face, in front of his face. Dear children, in the first paragraph also rhyming schemes are there. There is A and B. In the second paragraph also there are rhyming schemes, that is C and B. Now you see, you have to see the end of the word. Okay, here you see case, place and the face. So it is coming C and B. Now as you know the meaning. Now let us see the third paragraph. Sees he the mystery I found, sees he the mystery I found. I'll turn me round, he turned him round, but still it hung behind him. See, he was turning it round and round and round. He was turning himself round and round and round. Then he thought the pigtail would come friend, but it was standing behind only. The rhyming schemes are D and B. Here found and round, they are rhyming words, and him, that is B. Mystery is a secret. No, the pigtail is at the back. He wanted friend and he could not. Then round and round and out and in, all day the puzzle sage and spin. In vain it mattered not a pin, the pigtail hung behind him. See children, he is trying his level best to round and round and round, out and in, but he could not to bring the pigtail in front of his face. All the puzzled sage and spin. Spin is taking round. In vain is useless. Here rhyming words are E and B. In, spin and pin. Puzzled means confused. Spin means taking round. So he was confused. I am taking round and round, but I am not able to bring the pigtail in front of my face. As he was promised, he could bring it friend. Next paragraph. And right and left and round about and up and down and in and out. He turned, but still the pigtail stout hung steadily behind him. See children, stout is stubbornly. Steadily means in a regular manner he was trying to bring the pigtail friend in front of his face. So he went right and left, round and about, up and down, in and out. It turned, but still the pigtail could not bring friend. It was not able. Even though he is a wise man, but he has taken a decision foolishly. Here rhyming schemes are F and B. Here about, out and stout. These are the rhyming words. So rhyming schemes are F and B. The meaning of stout is stubbornly, steadily is in a regular manner. He was trying to bring the pigtail in front of his face, but not. The last paragraph. And though his efforts never slack, and though he twist and twill and tack, alas, still faithful to his back, the pigtail hangs behind him. See, he is putting his more of his efforts. No, but the efforts fails. Continuously he is moving his body, taking round and round quickly and so on, but he was not able to bring the pigtail in front of his face. He loses his efforts. Now slack is loose. Twirl means spin quickly. Tack is fast or fix in place. No, first and then fixed in place. So the pigtail is fixed in the place. When if you take round and round or up and down, front and back or turn around, whatever you do, the pigtail cannot bring it down, friend. So he is a wise man. Sage is a wise man, but it takes the foolish promise that he could bring the big pigtail friend. Now here rhyming schemes are G, G, G and B. Slack, tack and back. So meaning is slack is loose, well is spin quickly, tack is fasten or fix in place. So dear children, so the intelligence of the wise person turned to stupidly when he was trying to do what is impossible task and it fails. Now let me read and give you once the poem. There lived a sage in days of yore, and he a handsome pigtail wore, but wondered much and so sorrowed more because it hung behind him. He mused upon this curious case, and so he changed the pigtail's place, and have it hanging at his face, not dangling there behind him. Says he, the mystery I'd found. Says he, the mystery I'd found. I'll turn me round. He turned him round, but still it hung behind him. Then round and out and in all day the puzzled sage and spin. In vain it mattered not a pin, the pigtail hung behind him. And right and left and round and about, and up and down and in and out, he turned, but still the pigtail stout hung steadily behind him. And though his efforts never slack, and though he twist and well and tack, alas, still faithful to his back, the pigtail hangs behind him. William Makepeace Thackeray. Alas is an exclamation word. We use it when we are sad. So dear children, you can read the poem 5 times and understand. It's a very funny poem. You can understand it very easily. So please read the poem.